Girl, if you're ready, let me know. No set a long talking where you for. Wine to the ground, y'all drop to the floor. Oh yo, oh yo. Well, if you're ready.
In 2016, we named Ubersoca Cruise the best innovation in the soca scene. We went on to call Ubersoca our last official, unofficial carnival of the year. Yes, the tobacco is real.
Don't make it personal. I hope you understand. Don't take it personal. It's just a one night job. Just get to work, my girl. Don't make it personal. Oh, yo. Action.
Fast forward to 2019, and Ubersoca Cruise organizer Nathaniel Turner told us Ubersoca has transcended their wildest imagination. It has gone from being the smallest full ship charter on the ocean to the largest in less than 4 years. We're talking not one, but two completely sold out vessels, 100% dedicated to soca music and its art form. And did I mention it's all inclusive? You had me at Soca. Ubersoca is now the biggest, hypest, and best cruise ship charter on the ocean. That's right, Little Soca, scarcely recognized as its own genre, is bigger than EDM, reggae, and hip-hop when it comes to cruises. This is a clear indication of the power of soca, and more so when we come together as family. Ubersoca brings together people from every Caribbean island and walks of life, including North America, Europe, Asia, and Africa, for the common goal of having the best time of our lives. The energy of this cruise is like no other, with non-stop pumping from start to finish. It is really no different from Trinidad Carnival. Vibe scan done. Sleep? What's that? Fun factor? Maximum. It is fet after fet after fet after fet. Ultimate pool parties, theatre tune-up, Bacchanal Ball, Lyman on the Avenue, Small Island tune-up, and has one of the greatest Juve experiences, hands down. Wait, Midnight Mass? They've got that too. And let's not forget, Soca Size, Ubersoca and Ice, football and basketball tournaments, rum tasting, waistline walkout, laser tag, and DJ 101. Ubersoca Cruise is the next level of soca entertainment.
Do me a favor, don't tell me about behavior. Do me a favor, yo why? Do me a favor, don't tell me about behavior. Do me a favor, don't put me in no jail now. Do me a favor, don't tell me about behavior. Do me a favor, yo why? Last time that I check, we just mash up all fit. Last time that I check, whole party get wrecked. Last time that I check, everybody in sweat. Last time that I check, only police upset. When we get on like we don't afraid, picking up barricade. We don't like violence, we don't have no gun and no blade. We don't party in vain, dirty like we don't paid. Don't have no pride and no shame. I don't care who call them in name. Chant it again.
Destination Carnival is what we're going to do. We're going to take you around Ship 1 and Ship 2 and put it together for one awesome show. So, if you've never done Ubersoca Cruise ever in your life, you need to know this is where it starts and where it ends every year. Trini Jungle Juice, Ubersoca Cruise, Dre, aka the Carnival Rap. Bad since '89. Hold on.
Ubersoca.
Daddy yo.
Deli Banger. Ubersoca.
King James.
Deli Banger.
I want you to turn it up loud. I want you to turn it up loud. Hey yo, what you say? I want you to turn it up loud. I want you to turn it up loud. You hear what she said? I want you to turn it up loud. I want you to turn it up loud.
Whatever you taste, Ubersoca promises to deliver an experience beyond the music.
Yeah.